This is a 2025 update video for the Yard Sale Treasure Map app. We'll go over some of the basic features to get you started. Today we're using the Android app, but don't worry iPhone users, you'll have a nearly identical experience. This video is aimed at shoppers, but if you're hosting a yard sale, just tap on that blue button at the bottom right to create a listing. And don't forget to add photos. First, we'll start with the basics of navigating the app before getting into the features. On the main view, there are three main menus. At the upper left is the options menu. I prefer the map to be in dark mode, and this is configurable in the menu here. To the upper right is the sale list view, and at the center is where we select the day of the week. I'll note that sales are only shown 1 week out, so if a listing is created for the Saturday after next, for instance, that sale will not appear until the Sunday before the sale date. Since this is a mapping app at its core, let's go over some of the basic map controls. Zoom the map with 2 fingers by pinching or unpinching. Notice the white circles here representing my finger presses. Panning the map far enough will load sales for the next location. You can always get back to your current location by tapping the center location button shown here on the upper right of the map. Let's try rotating the map by tapping with 2 fingers and rotating. This might help us get our bearings while navigating. Dragging upwards or downwards changes our orientation for a 3D effect. We can reset our map orientation by tapping the compass icon at the corner of the map. Now let's tap on a marker pop-up to view the listing. From here we can swipe left or right to see the next sale listing. Going back to the map, we'll center the map on whatever sale we are currently viewing. The list view is ordered by proximity, with the topmost sales being the closest to my location. Tap a sale in the list to find it on the map. Another navigation tip is tapping a listing image to enlarge and zoom to see more details. That's it for basic navigation. Now let's talk about some of the core features that can help you get organized before setting out on the road. Keyword searching is a great way to find sales of interest. The list view filters down to show only matching sales, and the keyword is highlighted in the list and also in the actual sale listing itself. Next, let's talk about marker colors. Tap a marker to open its menu and then tap the palettes button. Here we have color options to organize our sales. This also changes the text color of the sale in the list view. If you're doing a lot of keyword searches, you may be interested in the Keyword Colors subscription feature, which lets you keep a list of keywords and will automatically set a marker color for matching sales. Let's turn estate sales orange. Let's also hide any flea market sales. Returning to the map, we can easily spot the estate sales now. That flea market sale is also hidden with a ghost marker. Another handy subscription feature is to show a check mark after I have viewed a sale. Looks like I haven't viewed this estate sale yet, so let's have a peek. And now we can see the marker shows the check mark. Now, of course, a core feature of this app is route planning. We'll go over this in detail in a later video, so let's just create a quick route now to see what that looks like. Tapping the star menu button adds a sale to my route. I can view the route in the My Route list view. Notice the travel distance and duration hint here near the top. The route can be manually ordered by drag and drop, or we can have Google Maps find an optimal route for us. Let's find an optimal route based on round trip so I don't have a long drive back home. Another useful feature is adding private notes from the listing menu. These notes appear whenever I view a sale or tap the marker. This way I can remind myself what to look for when I visit the sale. Now the last feature I'll highlight in this video is Street View, so we can scope out the neighborhood before dropping by. Hopefully this video is helpful to get you ready for your treasure hunt. Thanks for watching.